Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today's episode we'll be focusing on underneath the car. There's a couple of bits and pieces I need to fix and things that I haven't done so far, and one of them is changing the oil in the central diff. So I'll be doing that today. Also, a few months ago I've changed the oil on the rear diff, and I didn't like the color of it, so I would like to change it today as well. And then there's a micro leak of oil somewhere from underneath the engine. I suspect it could be the gasket from underneath the oil pan, so I might just tighten it a little bit because it's a brand new gasket. Now I did torque it to a specific setting, maybe it's just not strong enough, so I'm just gonna give it a bit of a tweak, and other than that we'll leave it. On that part I think that would be all, and then I'm planning to do one more thing, one major upgrade in my opinion, and that will be the reverse sensors, because I cannot see shit when I'm reversing that car, and it's very unsafe. I did had a reverse camera in it, but again guys, just whatever the location, it's literally the reverse camera is in the bonnet, and the screen on the radio that I have is microscopic, and I swear to God I see absolutely nothing on it. So I'm just gonna put the reverse sensors, and that will definitely help me. So yeah, welcome back. For those who are here not the first time, and those who are here first time, how are you? My name is Eric, and in this channel I just try to do things around the house, around the cars, and DIY, a little bit of travels and stuff like that. Oh, by the way, the car is actually being prepared for journey. We're heading off on a 3-week holidays where we're planning to do about, give or take, 7,000 kilometers, and hope it won't fall apart halfway through. So yeah, welcome. Oh yeah, by the way, I've reached my little goal, and that was 500 subscribers. Thank you very much. I'm delighted, and let's just keep on rolling. Anyway, enough chit chat, let's begin. There was some flakes on the cork, but to be honest with you, nothing major. So just gonna clean it, put some Loctite on it, and put it back in. Oh, right. So Oils are changed, which was the main thing. Again, I didn't like the rear diff. If you don't know, a couple of months ago I was changing oil in all the front and the rear diff. The front one was absolutely fine, actually the oil was quite clear, but on the back one there was a lot of flakes inside the oil. And to be quite honest with you, this time also there was quite a lot of flakes. So I think, I don't want to jinx it, but it looks like I might have to do a revamp on the rear diff. I'm hoping that for the journey he'll be fine, or maybe that was just whatever was left over from the previous oil change. I don't know when was the last time before I start changing oils, and what was the last time the oil was changing the diff, because I swear to God when that old oil was coming out it was just absolutely disgusting. So anyway, now hopefully everything will be fine. Yeah, new oils are in. So now I'm going to jump onto the reverse sensors. If I will remind myself, where did I left it? It should be somewhere in here anyway. Anyway guys, yeah, next step, we're putting the reverse sensors. Alright guys, so before I proceed, I'll just show you what's included in the package. I'll be honest with you, you've probably seen, if you haven't seen, there's plenty of videos out there that will show you how to connect the reverse sensors if your car is not fitted in it already. Straightforward. Let me show you. Okay. In the package you have receiver, right, or the board as such, PCB board, 4 sensors, on average 4 sensors, 4 is just plenty, and an indicator that will show you how far away from the required distance or from the wall you are. And that's about it. All you need to do is just connect your ground to the ground and positive to your reverse light. Monitor, that's your monitor, and then you have, well, there's a logo with some sort of additional speaker, but to be honest with you, I don't think I need that because I'm pretty sure there's one fitted onto the board. Then you have A, B, C, D, which are A, B, C, D sensors, and that's it. So all you need to do is just drill a couple of holes in your reverse, in your back bumper, and you're good. And that's what I'm going to do now.
Magnolia town was humming, smoke lay on the ground. Yeah, Magnolia town was humming, smoke lay on.
Alright, so I have the sensors fitted and I'm just feeding the wires now, but I'm starting getting a little bit hungry, so I'm just gonna take a quick break and jump back to it in a second. Okay, fed, happy, so I can go back to work.
In summer, swore I'd be back by fall. I left that place in summer, swore I'd be back by fall. Now the porch is bare and broken, and her name's gone from the wall.
Alright guys, reverse sensors are fitted. I will demonstrate. So I have it parked. I have it in the reverse park. I don't know, do you see it? But the switch is off, switch is on, and now if I get near the sensors, there you go. Anyhow, I still have a little bit day left, and another thing I wanted to address today is fitting the dash cam. I found one cheap one, some on Amazon or something, I can't remember. Didn't pay a lot for it, and I will fit it today. Again, I wasn't looking for anything that's gonna do amazing quality video. It's purely down for insurance purposes, just in case, you know, you're driving in Europe, you never know what's gonna happen. So yeah, plan for now is to fit it the dash cam.
Writing in the margins of my mind all day, sipping herbal in the morning just to feel okay. Had a dream I was water just flowing through space, till I landed on the record that my grandma would play. Talk sweet like jazz in the park after rain. What the grass smell green and the air feels sane. Put the phone on mute, let the silence explain. I don't need much, just a book in the brain. Used to chase things that would run from me. Now I sit still, let the peace come free. Paint a verse in the sky with a loose leaf. While the moon do a dance with a soft oak tree. Let it ride, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest and a thought run free. I don't rush, I don't race, I just float on.
You know what, guys, I am absolutely tired. In the meantime, when the camera was off, I actually did cleaned the fan, the blower fan, and I forgot to record it, but it wasn't actually very hard. There's only 3 screws on the bottom, and take it out, clean it, and put it back in. That is it from me. In the next episode, it's the final episode before the journey, and I'll be preparing the car inside, cleaning mainly, because the car's in bits. I need to clean it, arrange everything, pack the toolbox, and that's going to be a big one. So I've asked on one of the forums recently what would be the perfect toolbox for the Discovery 2, and there was actually quite a lot of feedback. So I'm going to use the feedback to do up a list of parts that everyone is recommending to take. I'm going to try to take as many as I can. Obviously, you're limited by the capacity. Plus, I don't have a trailer to put another Land Rover on the back of it. But yeah, for today, that's it from me. Thanks so much for watching, for sticking around. If you like what you've seen, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I will see you all on the next video.